Welcome back to Modern Journey TV. Did you know there exists a tiny seed with the power to transform the entire world of nutrition? Introducing the soybean Mother Nature's golden seed with protein levels 1.5 times higher than beef. It has become an irreplaceable source of plant-based protein for billions of people. From sun-drenched fields, these plump golden beans embark on a captivating voyage into state-of-the-art facilities. Here, under the guidance of human ingenuity and the might of massive machinery, they are refined and transformed into silky smooth tofu, rich, creamy soy milk, and pure golden cooking oil. Today, join us on an epic adventure from the golden gems of the field to the heart of your kitchen. Before we enter the massive industrial hubs, let's uncover the secrets hidden behind that golden hue. Brazil currently reigns as the king of soybeans, commanding a staggering 39% of global production. However, across the ocean, the United States stands tall. They proudly claim that their soybeans are the true world leader in both quality and purity. Can Brazil's massive scale eventually eclipse America's elite reputation? Or will superior quality keep the U.S. firmly at the top? We want to know what you think. Let us know in the comments below. Soybeans thrive in the warm embrace of the sun. They flourish best in temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, soaking up perfectly balanced rainfall from rich, fertile soils. Their life cycle, from a tiny seed to a heavy-laden plant, spans 80 to 120 days. When September whispers and a golden hue conquers the horizon, farmers know that the moment has arrived. Massive combine harvesters emerge, like mechanical monsters, powerful and relentless. Their razor-sharp blades glide across the fields, lifting the entire plant into their core. The threshing system works with absolute precision, stripping the beans from their pods, while keeping each precious gem perfectly intact. A single machine can harvest over 45 tons of soybeans in just one single hour. As the hopper reaches its limit, the automated discharge arm reaches out, pouring a cascading waterfall of gold into waiting trucks bound for the factory. As the trucks arrive, laden with their golden cargo, they discharge their load into massive underground intake hoppers. Here, a multi-stage cleaning system stands ready to purify the raw material. Colossal fans generate powerful air currents, instantly blasting away dust, dried leaves, and empty pods. Meanwhile, heavier impurities like stones and gravel, which defy the wind, are captured by a series of centrifugal filters.
Through layers of precision mesh, every foreign object is stripped away, allowing only the certified high-quality beans to move forward into the heart of the plant. Now stripped of impurities, the soybeans enter an automated drying system. Alternating currents of hot and cool air sweep through the beans, allowing moisture to escape gently. This ensures that the nutritional core remains perfect and the beans stay completely intact. Finally, the highest grade beans are funneled into massive, soaring silo towers standing dozens of meters high, with a colossal capacity of up to 50,000 tons per tower. These structures serve as the ultimate sanctuary. Here, the soybeans are preserved at their absolute peak, waiting for the next stage of their sophisticated transformation. Now, come with me as we step into the tofu production workshop to witness the birth of what many call boneless meat. The process begins by soaking the dry soybeans in massive water vats for 6 to 12 hours. This crucial stage allows the beans to absorb moisture, expanding and softening in preparation for the grinding phase. Depending on the facility's technology, they may utilize dry grinding, which requires longer soaking, or wet grinding. Both methods aim for the same result, creating a rich mixture of soy milk and pulp. The mixture then enters a centrifugal filtration system, cleanly separating the fibrous pulp, often used for livestock feed, from the stream of pure liquid silk, the soy milk. This milk is pumped into an automated cooking system where temperatures are strictly held between 95 and 100 degrees Celsius. This boiling phase is vital. It annihilates bacteria and natural toxins, while awakening the deep signature aroma of the soybean. Once it reaches the perfect temperature, the milk flows into coagulation vats. Here, the magic happens. Coagulants like Nagari salt or food-grade gypsum are introduced, causing the protein to crystallize into soft, snowy curds. For soft tofu, the mixture remains undisturbed. It is funneled into bags or containers, then flash-chilled in water baths to lock in that silky, delicate texture. In contrast, for traditional block tofu, the curds are funneled into press molds. Controlled pressure squeezes out the excess water, creating a firm, resilient structure after being sliced by razor-sharp automated blades. The tofu is boxed with pure water to maintain its moisture. It then undergoes sterilization at 85 to 90 degrees Celsius and is stored at a cool 4 to 10 degrees, ensuring peak freshness when it finally reaches your table. The production of soy milk is equally sophisticated. After filtration and cooking, sugar and salt are introduced according to a golden ratio, creating a flavor that is both consistent and irresistibly smooth. The milk is then funneled into an automated bottling and packaging line. For bottled products, every empty container must pass through a laser scanner to verify absolute cleanliness. Only then does the precision sensor system begin the filling process. Once capped, the bottles glide through a cooling tunnel where water jets and high-powered fans rapidly lower the temperature, locking in the nutrients and that fresh, signature taste. The soybeans journey is far from over. From the silos, the beans are dried until their moisture drops to a precise 8%. They then pass through a dehulling system, where pairs of high-speed rollers crack the beans open. Powerful air currents instantly separate the inner hearts from their outer shells. Next, the soybeans enter the screw press along reinforced steel cylinder. Here, they are heavily compressed and forced forward to be transformed into a rich, full-fat soybean cake. These cakes are then fed into the mechanical oil press under crushing pressure. Deep within the press chamber, vibrant golden oil begins to seep through the precision gaps, flowing into the collection tanks. The byproduct of this intense force is the oil cake, emerging at scorching temperatures of 120 to 130 degrees Celsius, packed with exceptionally high protein and fiber. This cake is an essential ingredient for high-quality livestock and poultry feed. It optimizes farming efficiency and elevates the quality of food for the entire world. The crude oil, fresh from the press, now enters its final stage of purification. It is refined, bleached, and deodorized to achieve crystal clarity and absolute food safety. When compared to sunflower or olive oil, soybean oil truly stands out. It offers a highly competitive price and an impressive smoke point, making it the ideal choice for every culinary style, from searing and frying to delicate baking. Finally, this liquid gold is precisely funneled into bottles, cans, and bags, destined for family kitchens all over the world. In the frantic pulse of modern agriculture, a harvest season is no longer a simple gathering of crops. It is a living testament, an epic symphony of technology, allowing humanity to harvest a staggering 2.5 billion tons of produce in record-breaking time. Right now, in these final days of 2025, massive machines are working side by side, with millions of farmers across every continent gathering hundreds of millions of tons with a speed and precision that shatters all historical limits. Don't take your eyes off the screen. You are about to witness the most spectacular harvest moments on the planet, where supreme mechanical power meets the pinnacle of human intelligence, defining a radiant future for global agriculture. Behold, the Oxbow BH100, a true warrior forged to conquer narrow fields, treacherous paths, and the most rugged terrains. Compact, yet formidable, it wields a razor-sharp dual-blade system that cuts precisely at the base, paired with high-speed vibrating drums to strip away the pods with flawless efficiency. The entire harvest then flows up an inclined conveyor, streaming continuously into the storage bin in one single, effortless pass. But on the sprawling mega farms of Europe and North America, the true kings of the field have arrived. These are the colossal combine harvesters, with a staggering capacity of 25 tons of beans every single hour. They operate as massive mobile factories, marching steadily across the horizon. Their ultra-wide headers devour dozens of rows in a single sweep, while high-powered air systems blast away every leaf and dry branch, leaving behind nothing but glistening, perfect, whole beans. This technology has skyrocketed productivity by over 400%, a figure that was once unimaginable for traditional manual labor, and a glorious testament to the unstoppable rise of modern mechanization. Leaving the inland fields behind, we arrive at the boundless ocean. Here, a different story unfolds. Over 90% of the world's seaweed is still harvested entirely by bare hands. Natural seaweed clings tightly to the rugged cliffs of the intertidal zones, where the tide rises and falls with every passing day. Farmers must master the rhythm of the sea, wading through slippery, treacherous reefs at the first light of dawn, to carefully clip the tops of the plants. They are careful, always leaving 5 to 10 centimeters of the base, ensuring a vibrant, sustainable rebirth for the season to come. This is far more than just grueling physical labor. It is a masterclass in intuition. Only seasoned harvesters can sense the exact moment when the seaweed has reached its peak maturity, containing its highest levels of natural gelatin. Seaweed is not just a superfood. Packed with over 60 types of precious minerals and vitamins, it is a vital green shield for our planet, capable of absorbing CO2 20 times more efficiently than any land-based plant. Every harvest is a step toward protecting the future of our blue planet. In the humid tropical forests of West Africa, a land that supplies 42% of the world's cocoa, the journey of the harvest is anything but sweet, despite being the soul of a multi-billion-dollar industry. 95% of global cocoa production still rests upon the calloused hands of farmers, who survive on less than $1 every single day. The rugged, uneven terrain of the dense jungle makes mechanization a distant dream. Under a blistering equatorial sun, farmers wield curved knives with surgical precision, harvesting each ripe pod without harming the tree itself. The white cocoa beans are then tightly wrapped in banana leaves for 3 to 5 days of fermentation. This delicate process is the secret that defines the captivating, bittersweet soul of the world's chocolate. Producing over 8 million tons annually, these tireless hands continue to trade their sweat for the sweetness we all enjoy. In Shizuoka, Japan, as the month of May arrives, a harvest of art and technology begins its rhythmic dance. For 10 to 30 days, massive black nets are draped over the tea rows, strictly limiting photosynthesis. This clever stress forces the tea plants to surge with L-theanine and chlorophyll. It is the master secret behind the radiant emerald color and that deep savory umami flavor found in the world's finest matcha and sencha. During the harvest, specialized tea harvesters guided by GPS sensors and canopy height monitors glide across the fields. With an astonishing precision of just a few millimeters, they cut only the youngest, most tender tea shoots with surgical accuracy. A high-powered suction system instantly draws the fresh leaves into mesh bags within a flawless, closed-loop process. In Shizuoka, the Japanese don't just harvest tea, they are sculpting perfection. One leaf at a time, it is a seamless fusion of high-tech innovation and deep national pride. The world harvests over 8 million tons of asparagus every year through a diverse range of methods. In nations like Germany and the Netherlands, titans of technology, worth over $400,000, are gradually replacing human hands. Yet, in many corners of the globe, traditional craftsmanship still reigns supreme. Farmers wield long, slender steel knives, skillfully brushing aside the earth to cut the asparagus just above the crown. This delicate precision ensures that the young shoots are protected for the next harvest. Meanwhile, the Oxbow 74 20 raspberry harvester stands as another true marvel of modern engineering. It utilizes a sophisticated dual centrifugal vibration system, featuring soft, rotating brushes that move gracefully among the vines. With a gentle, rhythmic vibration, only the perfectly ripe berries are dislodged, showering into the collection trays without a single bruise or a broken branch. This groundbreaking technology skyrockets productivity by 5 to 8 times over, liberating human labor and setting an elite new standard for the global berry industry. Kiwi, the national icon of New Zealand, grows on high trellises, nearly 2 meters tall. This forces harvesters into a grueling, constant upward gaze. A skilled worker can pick an impressive 1,000 fruits every hour, but a true revolution is unfolding in the Bay of Plenty. With the arrival of autonomous harvesting robots, guided by AI vision sensors and vacuum-driven robotic arms, they identify every ripe fruit and detach them with surgical precision without leaving a single mark. This synergy has propelled New Zealand's kiwi industry to the very pinnacle of global quality and absolute precision. In the vast heartland of the American Midwest, armies of colossal harvesters, from legendary brands like John Deere and Case Wide H, are on the move across thousands of hectares. They process more than 50 tons of soybeans every single hour. This is far more than just a harvest. It is the mighty, relentless economic engine of the United States. In stark contrast, Japan takes a completely different path, utilizing compact harvesters from legendary brands like Kubota and Yanmar that stand only 1.5 meters tall. The reason Japan's unique landscape, defined by small, scattered rice paddies where giants cannot tread. Though the scale is different, these machines embody the master philosophy of lean efficiency. They operate with absolute precision, a rhythmic, mechanical dance that delivers maximum performance while leaving the smallest possible footprint on the natural environment. Every year, in October and November, the pecan orchards of Georgia and Texas begin to shudder. Massive 5-ton hydraulic shakers move steadily through the rows, equipped with specialized arms, reaching over 3 meters and fitted with heavy-duty rubber grips. The machine seizes the tree trunk in a powerful embrace. Then, it vibrates with such sheer intensity for just a few seconds that thousands of pecans rain down, like a sudden, rhythmic downpour, onto the waiting ground below. following immediately behind. Powerful sweepers and harvesters vacuum the seeds from the earth, instantly stripping away leaves and debris to fill the massive bins on board. Thanks to this flawless mechanical precision, the United States produces a staggering 123,000 tons of pecans every year. This represents over 80% of the world's total supply, firmly cementing its absolute dominance. As the global titan of the pecan industry,